Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss stack problem. So in the part 1 and part 2 we have discussed the stack problems. In the part 1 we have discussed the stack introduction and problem, and stack 2 we have solved a problem from the competitive side. And now in this we are going to solve the third problem. So I have picked this problem from the hacker rank. Just we will understand the problem and then we will solve the problem. So here the problem is, so find the greatest element. So the input as there will be giving an array of elements. We have to find the next greatest element from right side. So like for example here it is 4, 5, 2 and 25. So the 4, the greatest element than 4, that is 5. So for 4 it is 5. The 5, the greatest element is 25. So 25. For 2 again it will be 25. For 25 it is minus 1. So similar way. So this is a very simple problem. Using stacks we will try to solve. So we have one more example here: 13, 7, 6 and 12. So 13, what is the next largest element for the 13 in this? Nothing is there, so we will print the minus 1. If it is for 7, the next largest element is 12, so we will print 12. For 6 also it will be 12. For 12, the end of the, so there is no element, so we will print as minus 1. Okay, the input format of the first line contains the number of integers of array size, and next line contains list of elements with spaces. So that is the, so this is the range. Okay, so the n ranges from 6553. So yeah. So this many elements that they can give us. So this is the contents, output contents. So each line should contain the two spaces separated by integer, I mean array element, and we should print the next max element of that array, and similarly we have to print the output. So let's start the coding first. So first we have to read the elements. Simply I'll use scanner. System in. So we will read the size and next. So I will take a string. So so next line, first it will be the size and this will be input. So what we do, we will split this into an split into the integers input. So just we will once we'll convert the into an integer. So for that we need an integer array ARR. Let's take the ARR. So int of, that is size n. Just simply we will convert a of I equals to inputs of I integer dot Sync, just pass this. Okay, we have done with input. So we got the array. Now, so simply we will write one more method. Okay, so just write one more method. Public static void. So let's say what should return. We will print it, right? So we say simply so method name we will print. So next we will press return element. So let's take like something like this. So it will take as array as input. So string of elements. And we'll give it as a size. So we will take some cursor. So we'll declare the flag also. Flag. So let's solve. Here we have an integer. Let's so what we have to do, we have to so we're using right. So we will implement the stacks. Stack integer stack equals to stack integer stack we have declared. So after the stack what we do, we simply stack dot arr, we will push the 0th element. We will take some current element cursor and we will then flag also. So now what we do, we just start int I equals to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. Just we are going inside and sorry, so we will take okay. Next we will mark this, mark the flag as true, and we will check the condition while so we will check if the stack is not empty. Stack dot is empty and passed flag. Okay, so here we were trying to check if stack is empty, so then we will compare the element. Simply we will perform the top of the stack will be comparing with that element. So just we will do the stack operation on that element. We will take in the current element, stack dot peak, this will be holding on top of the element. So we compare current element is less than array of element, so we say array of I. So then we say that if it is current element is less than that, then the stack dot pop operation, so we pop it and try to print system dot println, trying to print the to print current element. What is this? So we say current element. Yes. So we will print the current element plus ARR of 5. So this is a current element. So this is a current element is top of the stack, and this is a max element we are printing. Next greatest element we are trying to printing, and else we do simply we will make the flag as false, so that it will not execute when it is less than. Okay, just we will perform the push operation. Here we are done actually. After that we will just push our tag element to the push RR of 5. That's fine. RR of 5. Push our element. And then we will close our. Okay. So we are here. So simply what we do, if after that if the stack is not empty, stack is not empty, still stack is not empty, still will print that elements. Just about and then print element. So we have to pop the element and print the top of the stack. So tag dot pop giving score, and we will print if the rest of the elements are all called as last element, so we will mark it as -1. Okay, so let's try this with custom input. So we have one input over here. We'll take this. So first we have to pass the n value. So we have four elements. So 4, and second is just to test the code. Stack on 0. Error. Stack element is sorry. So we have to push the ARR, right? So we missed it. Welcome. Okay. So we got a number format exception 4 while converting it to the 4 to that. So here integer dot parseString and integer dot parseString. Here we missed the call itself. Just to land this. So, ARR comma n. just will pass the inputs, put from here. So we have splitting through space, so we will provide the space over here. Again we got a space. Okay, if we see the 4 for 4 the largest element is 5. For 5, so 5 the order got mismatched. 5 it is 25, and for 2 it is 25. For 5 it is 25. To handle this order we have to maintain some map. So mostly we will go with a tree map where we can maintain a, so we will go with a tree map. But before going we will try one more test case. So sample input is here 13 12. So if I run this, so let's remove this. If we run this, we can see for, if you take it on with 13 doesn't have, so it's -1. For 7 it is a 12, so 7 it is 12. For 6 it is a 12, so 6 to the largest element right side is 12, so we got the 12, that is fine, but the order getting mismatched, so we will implement the map also. So store the map and hash map. So let's take a map. So map integer integer np equals to new. So have tree map this is integer integer. Okay, let's close this. So we will initialize this map. So for array equals to 0, less than 1, plus simply we put np dot put. So just we will put a key comma value. So ARR 5 will be our key, and value is -1 for all of them. So we'll just copy this. Okay, so what we do, so here we have initialized our array, so we have to just replace our element with that. So here we will remove this, just we will put our map. So map dot put same thing, but what we do, place -1 crr currently over it is. So now we don't need this. So anyway, I mean, what are the rest of elements will be automatically they will be stamped as -1, but I need, okay, what I will do, I will take the same for loop and just print with a space. So system dot out dot print dot get. Here we have to get the element from ARR of I to get the value. So first ARR of ARR. So what is this ARR? This includes println. So now we will run the test case again. So for order, see it should come in 30th order. Semicolon. So you can see the order. Just we will submit that. We'll run the test cases, all the test cases. So test case 0 got passed. So just we will submit this. All the test cases got executed. You can see all the test cases got executed. So this is the way that we solve the problem. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye.